Gonna go nice and easy today, nothing ridiculous. Yeah, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just run. Good. You okay?
Yeah.
So you can feel C3, C4 is really just inflamed right there. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah. That was much more difficult to adjust. Okay.
Lay your head right in my hands as if you're sleeping. Perfect. Oh yeah. Okay. Get your neck here now. Yeah, just wiggle that right big toe. Perfect. Good girl. All right.
That was a big crack.
Yeah, well, see, this takes all that compressive stress off your spine.
Young adults. Breath in here, all the way out, relax. Good. Very well. You did awesome. Breath in and out, chin up. Good. Okay, that's really going to help. Okay. All right. Relax. Good. Good. Right here. Relax. Good.
Holy cow.
That moved awesome.
And just breathe through your nose for me. And exhale. Just like that.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Ring dinger. Home run. And he's still kicking big time.
Oh.
Felt that all the way down though, didn't you?
Oh.
There you go. Keep breathing. There you go. That's it. We got a real treat for you this evening too.
Let's give me a big breath all the way in. All the way out. There we go. Let's go face down again.
Okay, no, only there for a second. I'm gonna get your neck here now. Oh yeah. Good job. Okay, now kneel. Boy, oh boy. Now see, I'm not talking during all those. Hope y'all are paying attention.
We found some areas of restriction right in here in the upper cervicals. Very good, okay? So we're adjusting through the areas of restriction here, okay? I want you to relax here. We're palpating again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. I'm gonna adjust through here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good, okay? Relax right here for me. Good, okay. Same thing right over here. Very good, okay? Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way, okay? Right in here, go right in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you rotate facing the opposite way. So Laura's a registered nurse. A lot of times she's having to move patients around. Moving bodies around is a pretty strenuous work. So she'll then experience the upper back pain more prevalent at that time. Sometimes headaches that are caused by that. Let me have you take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face up for me. Okay, I want you to take a deep breath in, all the way out, lean back, and face up. Very good. Okay, relax right there.
Good. Nice, easy adjustment there.
Oh! Oh! Whew.
Okay, this side should be easier, just so you know. Okay.
Oh!
Still not much on the patellar reflexes yet. That's it. Oh yeah, good job. Keep breathing. There you go. That's one of the main things that we need to teach our patients is to keep taking nice deep breaths through their nose.